Hey, hey. Now, is this blocking your view? I drove all the way here in my husband's pickup truck. I'm not a very good driver, and I was really afraid the whole time I was driving. I know I'm a bad driver because I got stuck in a parking space in an almost empty parking lot. I couldn't back out. While I was shopping, they installed these little concrete things all over that parking lot. I called my husband on the phone and I said, I can't back up out of the parking space. He said, if you can drive in, if you can pull in, you can pull out. Just remember, if you can pull in, you can pull out. And I said, stop talking about sex and get me out of this parking space. He's never ridden in the car with me. One time in our entire married life, once, he was having a kidney stone attack. I thought it was a chance to show him what a good driver I was. I took the long way to the hospital. But he let me drive his pickup truck to get here today. Great big macho 3/4-ton 4-wheel drive. There's a limit to the amount of jostling a woman my age can tolerate. I peed all the way here. Thank heaven my seat cushion can be used as a flotation device.